Want to watch live high school sports on your TV? Here's a quick guide on how to get NFHS network up and running on your smart TV. First, power on your smart TV and head to the App Store. This can usually be accessed directly from your remote or through the TV's home screen. Use the search function to look for the NFHS network app. You can also browse through categories like sports or streaming to find it easily. Once you've found it, select the NFHS network app, then hit the download or install button. The download time will depend on your internet connection, so give it a few moments. After installation, find the app on your home screen or in the app launcher. Open it up and sign in with your NFHS network account credentials. If you don't have an account, you can sign up right from the app. Just follow the prompts to create an account and choose your subscription plan. Once you're logged in, browse through the sports and events available. Pick what you want to watch and start streaming it directly on your TV. That's it! You're all set to enjoy high school sports on the big screen, thanks to NFHS Network.